Ombarus here, and welcome to this new episode of How to Be an Indie Game Developer. Today is another update on my progress on this app I decided to make of dice throwing. It's nothing original, I know, but I'm hoping it's gonna help me figure out how to do the process from A to Z. I've been running into some small issues that we'll discuss later, but for now I wanted to show you a bit why I decided to do this app and where I'm at that point. It's actually running on device right now, and you can maybe see it in the corner here. So if I go into, first of all, I want to show you why I didn't have to do much design on this app. It's because I had already done that a couple of years ago in Unity. So I'm going to show you what it looked like maybe 6 or 7 years ago in Unity. Sorry for the poor quality craftsmanship, but it was done on the weekend as a quick prototype thing just to figure out a bit how Unity works. So it's nothing great, but most of the functionalities and all the screens are there, and I had a really good idea of how I wanted it to look. So I stayed to that look for this version, but I just tried to use the material UI design and try to make it cross-platform. With Framework 7, it turns out it's very easy, and it just switched automatically to whatever look and feel you wanted. So you see, I can click on some dice, I can select how many dice I want to throw, then I've got a couple of options here I can choose from, and when I'm ready, I hit go, and then it shows me, first of all, the details, the stats of the throw, if you will, because that's, when you're playing the game, usually what you're interested is how many dice above 5 did I throw, or what's the sum to see how much damage I did, or some did I have any criticals and stuff like that. So that's the first screen you get to, and then you can scroll and see the details of every throw if you ever doubt the calculation, or the DM wants you to confirm or something. You can see every detail. So that was the design. And now if we go into the actual application of what I've been doing for the past few days, you'll see that it's very similar, but the color scheme, the buttons, everything is much more Android style, really using the right icons and everything. In Unity, I had to kind of paint everything, do it the way I felt like it. This is really much more using the material design. And but basically I can do the same thing. I can select my number of dice, the dice, I can change the options, and when I'm ready I hit OK, and then I have all the stats, and I can scroll to see the result. The only thing that's really missing right now is that this app is not doing anything at all. It's all static, it's just make-believe. Now the fun part is starting. I have to implement everything behind, and I've been running into some issues because I'm not very used to working with JavaScript, and the documentation for Framework 7 has awesome example of how to set up beautiful UI, what kind of class, what kind of look and feel, how to change the look and feel and all that. But for the JavaScript, it kind of assumes you're a web developer and you've been working with jQuery and JavaScript and Node.js for your whole life, which is not exactly my case. So I'm having a bit of fun trying to figure all that out, but doing some progress. So if you want, I'll show you a little bit what I'm talking about. And I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and if you like, subscribe, and see you in my next episode.